Hey guys, this is Scott with Moix RV here in Conway, and today I'm feature benefiting a new 2022 Flagstaff 228 SE pop-up. Now this pop-up isn't your traditional pop-up. It has an electric lift, has LED lights underneath the awning, and an awning that pulls out. This unit also comes equipped with a griddle and a work table that are removable from the outside. So in addition to that, you also have a cook stove inside. It also has the pass-through storage here in the front with a pull-out tray. And it'll go out either side, or you can load it here from the top and the bed is slid in. All right, folks, we're inside the unit of the 228 SE now. This unit, as I said earlier, comes with an inside stove. So you have a 3-burner stove inside. You also have a 3-way refrigerator here at the bottom that opens up. You have the kitchen sink with hot and cold water. And this unit also comes with a cassette toilet. So you have a shower and a toilet with a cassette holding tank outside the dump. Check this out. The mattress is heated, and you have a thermostat for the mattress. So in the wintertime, you can come in and heat your bed before you get in it. All right, folks, this unit also comes with a slide-out dinette. It's out right now. This also makes a bed, and then your sofa, your gaucho couch here, also makes down to a small bed. The unit also comes with something also as an air conditioner. Well, a lot of pop-ups come with air conditioners, but what makes this one unique is this is a 15,000 BTU air. They don't make them any bigger than this, guys. It also comes with heat, a thermostat controlled heater, so you're comfortable in the wintertime and comfortable in the summertime. Come see us.